All right, I'm gonna press A, and that's pretty much it. This is the ArcadeLover screen. Now, luckily, one thing good about ArcadeLover, I'm just happened lucky because I did not park it in Arcade. I was parking Arcade 4 when I was doing the test, and luckily this one came back as Arcade because the image is exactly the same. The fully loaded and this one only have up to ArcadeLover. So if you go to the game, you got Neo Geo full set, Neo Geo fighting, Neo Geo shooting, sports, puzzle, and Neo Geo Pocket Color. Okay, and then you got Capcom Arcade, and then Retro Arcade. That's the one we were in Welcome. So those are the one you are going to be getting, and that's about it. The three main console, and then you got the extra one called the Neo Geo Pocket that was added to the fully loaded. And right now I just find out I don't have a picture. Neo Geo Pocket Color or Pocket. So this image do not work. The game probably will load, but there's no box art. I accidentally delete the box art. Last time I forgot to put the box art, I mean the ROM correctly, so the ROM wasn't working. Now the ROM is there, but there's no pocket, no color pocket. Oh, great. So I need to redo the and then upload again. Yeah. Wait a second. Did I modify? Maybe I modified something. Oh, I did remove Arcade Pocket because this is not part of the. Okay, I know what I did. I went and removed it from the ROM info, and plus the physical everything. So it do not have Neo Geo Pocket at all. So this version do not have Neo Geo Pocket. Okay. I'm glad we tested because this one do not have Neo Geo Pocket. You have everything else, but just don't have, because Neo Geo Pocket is an add-on. It wasn't part of the ArcadeLover, so I actually removed it. Yeah. Okay, we could fix it. I mean, the ROM info. Well, it's easy it's easier to remove it than it is to add it back on, because I have to go back and do a Neo Geo Pocket add-on to put that back on. So it might be better just to remove it, because Neo Geo Pocket is not really an arcade game. It's more of a home console handheld. So maybe we should remove it instead of, because I already removed everything. I already removed the game. Yeah. Let me look at it and see what we decide what we're gonna do. Hi, this video is show you how to do an add-on, plus also fix my ArcadeLover images. Right now, when you boot up, you will see Neo Geo Pocket, but there's no box art, there's no ROM. Only thing you see is number 5 listed, saying that there's something there, and there's nothing there because I went and deleted. Now I didn't delete the location, so it will show the title of the game, but there's no physical box art, there's no physical ROM. So how do we go about fix this? Plus also the ROM information inside is also being deleted. Okay, so let's do a normal thing. We go to Telegram, and some of you who come here join doesn't know what to do. You could click on the top, and it tell you all kind of stuff like 44 video, 361 file, and people talking and then sharing link. So that's how you get the stuff you want to see. Like if you want to watch video to get help, you watch the video by clicking here. Here will tell you all the zip file or the Excel format from the latest one to the oldest one. Okay, but this doesn't really help, because you could also click here on top and that will take you from the latest information that was good information, like fully loaded. Here's the link. Here's part 1, part 2, and fully loaded is been tested, it's working. You could download this one, but this one is different from the previous one because it do not have Sega CD, do not have Sega 32, do not have PlayStation, and do not have the uh, Neo Geo CD. So this version is compressed down, so people don't have to go buy a 400 gigabyte SD card or USB flash drive. So it's so this version is small enough for people to affordable and have fun in using it. Okay. So what you do, you just keep on click on it and keep on going back up. And this is a game menu that I just download to help you reorganize the game number and stuff like that. And so what we are looking for is Neo Geo. So what you could do is you could come here and say, okay, I'm looking for uh, Neo Geo Pocket. Okay, so let's click on that, press enter, and Neo Geo Mini. No, that's not what I'm looking for. How about by just typing Neo Geo Pocket Color? And it tell you all this, all this link have been talked about Neo Geo Color on all those. So you could click one by one. My machine just running slow again. All right, let's just continue. My computer just shut down by itself. Okay. I mean my Telegram. So I'm just gonna go to my download and go to my add-on folder. So I download everything. I have it put it in a category so I could find it easier. So when you download, it's going to ask, it's automatically going to put it on the Telegram. Once you install it, automatically is download into your Telegram folder. So you could come here and find your stuff. Normally I just put mine directly to my external hard drive because my internal hard drive don't have enough space to keep all that, so I move it outside, move it over here. So I'm looking for a Neo Geo Pocket and Neo Geo Color. So right here. And in here there is how many zip file? There is a add-on zip file and there is a ROM zip file. Okay, so when you unzip it, and this is a retro art add-on core. Why did I put that here? Interesting. Oh, I need to upload this. This is the new retro art that I just did. I wanted to update to the Telegram. Okay, that's good. I didn't know where I put it. Now I know. Okay, I go to ROM. Those are the ROM is missing. I'm missing 10 of those and 40 of the color one. See, there's 40 right here, 40 game. So I need to, once you unzip it, you're gonna get 1, 2, 3 folder. So to know how many you get, you just right click here and you could say 7-zip and we're gonna look at inside. Okay, so this one, it have ASPH. And here all the information that we need to go through one by one. The other one, let's check this one out, see what this one have. We're gonna open up the retro, and this one only have the ROM folder. Okay, so that's the ROM folder. The other one is why do I have this one? Maybe this is part of that, part of the zip file. We're gonna open the okay. So yeah, it is part of this. It is part of this Neo Geo stuff because here's my retro folder. Okay. Right. So the only thing I need is I'm going to get the ROM. So I'm going to copy the ROM, and then I'm going to, here's number 5. So I know Let me minimize that. Let me go to my computer. Let me go to my USB SD card. I'm going back to here. I'm going to the WAM folder. The only one I have is main. This is ArcadeLover. So ArcadeLover is missing this 2 file. So I'm going to copy those 2, copy, and then paste it here. So now my Neo Geo Pocket is being added. Now I have physical WAM, but I don't have box art. So we are going to go into ASPH. We're going to do one at a time. So we're going to come over here. We're going to go to the game folder. Here's all my Neo Geo Pocket, which is not in here in the game folder. So I don't have no Neo Geo Pocket. So I need to right click, select file. Normally what I do is you don't have to, you just take the game folder and just say copy and go to the game folder over here on the ASPH, and then just copy this game folder and then just paste it. Okay. So now the WAM folder, the game box is game transfer. Now the next thing is I'll go to hack. Now this EMU information is already been updated, so you don't need to copy this anymore because this is the latest version. The only thing I'm missing is Neo Geo Pocket and Neo Geo. So I'm going to double click on that. Here's all the stuff that I need to add to the bottom of my list for Neo Geo Pocket and Neo Geo Pocket Color. So I'm going to go ahead and select all. Okay, file, and I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to go to the same location called hack. So ASP hack. And then I'm going to open up this same file called WAM info. I could do the same way, double click, open up the text notepad, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom right here. And I'm just going to right click and paste it. And there's the end of the Neo Geo Pocket Color. So all this has been put in here. Now only thing I need to do is now save it and close it. That's all you have to do. Open this up, put it at the very bottom of this, the one you have in your USB. This is called an add-on that we are doing, okay? And normally you would copy this and put it here, but this is the latest one, April 1st, and this is March the 3rd. So this one is the latest one, so you don't need to do that. Then I go down the list, so I won't forget what I need to do. So I did the game, I did the hack, and normally I would not do the image, I would do the location first. Okay, so you're gonna go to location first because location is gonna tell you what is the number you need to put the pocket in. So if I open this up, Neo Geo is already in my list, which is number 5. That's why I need to put this in number 5. So this is what it looked like inside. It just is the same entry, same title, and it have a different number because when that was created, Neo Geo Pocket was somewhere in the bottom or something. And this, okay, see, before Neo Geo was at number 35. This is number 5. The way you read this is pound signs mean comment out. This is only a comment. So whenever you see a pound sign, mean ignore this line, go to next line. So this is line 0, this is line 1, this is line 2. Neo Geo, before you turn off the Neo Geo, you need to be on line 0, which is the first game set. You select that. Once it's open up, then you turn the power off. So it had to be line 0. Okay. Now we need to put it into number 5. Since this is already there, Neo Geo Pocket. Okay, we don't need to copy this over here because we are using simplified Chinese. So we don't need to. So if that's the case, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna rename this to this name. So let's go ahead and do that. Be consistent. This is the physical name that I need to put this in, and I'm going to change that to paste simplifies name. Okay, and then I'm going to change this one. If I get my machine over there, so slow. All right, I'm also going to name this one to simplify name and make this one number 5. And I'm going to save that for my future use in case I need this again. So number 5 simplifies Chinese. Okay, now I don't need this anymore, but I need to copy this into, so I need to close this one too. I don't need it no more. So it's number 5 that I need. So I'm going to go back and copy this into my local folder. This is the file that we open. This is the folder we need to copy over. So we're going to copy and we're going to paste it here. Replace. All right, so that's done. So we're going to go to image. Now the image, this have to be number 5, cannot be 35, okay? Because we just look at it, it have to be number 5. So in here, the animation also need to be number 5, not 35. So we're going to change that to number 5. That's the reason we open the local first before we open the image. Otherwise, we don't know what number to use. So we need to do the location first before we do the image. So we're going to copy those two. Copy. We're going to go back out. See, we were in location first. Now we're doing image. So we're going to image. And we're just going to paste those two in here. So we just click paste. You want to replace both of them? Yes, please. Oh, I shouldn't have, huh? Because this image, this image is, what size of image? Oh, this is a smaller May. I need a bigger May. So I think I made a boo-boo. I hope I have a backup. This is small May. Oh, I cannot undo it. I need a bigger May. I don't need the 215. But it's okay. I have a backup copy. Remember, this is why I say it's important to do a backup copy. We have a backup copy. Remember, I create a folder called backup, and all my stuff is here. Okay, so I need to get the correct image, which is the we are trying to fix ArcadeLover, and ArcadeLover do not have animation, so I cannot use that one. So I'm going to go to the fully loaded one, the one that do not have CD. I'm going to go to that one. We're going to go to image. The reason I say this is smaller because this image is 1:1. The size is a lot smaller than the one on this side, and the one I want is number 5, and this one is bigger. Compared, this one is 274 by 318. So that little box, 274, and this one is point to it doesn't show. This one is image is smaller. My computer is running some. So I'm going to go ahead and copy those. Copy, and I'm going to create another one called, just in case in the future if I delete it again, I'm going to create one called the big main. Because this one has small main, which is this one, but it doesn't have the big main. So I'm going to paste the big one here, and same time I'm going to replace those. You see the number? The number is 215 by 285, and this one is 318. So I'm going to copy that, come over here and paste it. replace all those. So now this is a bigger size, it's 318 instead of 278. So this one will send in front of the box, not inside the box, by having the size bigger. All right, so that is the box art which we just copy over. So let's go back to the, not the backup, we want to go back to the original root directory, which is the iDrive. And we was in the backup. See, that's why it's very important back up your data in case something like I did, I accidentally delete the stuff that I want. And I have a backup copy. All right, so we finished, we're going back to ASP. Let's make sure we did everything we need to do. We got the theme and we got the animation done. And so we go from game, hack, local, and image. So we finished with Hydro Stick. We finished updating Hydro Stick. The retro, only thing you're supposed to need in here is, you don't need all this. The only thing you need in here was the bin file, which is already there on the arcade level, so you don't even have to do none of this stuff. You don't need to do any of this because this side already have it. All right, so now we could pop this in and test this out and fix this. The problem should be fixed by now. So we're gonna look at it, and this is how you do update. This is how you fix it. Now let me see if I could get this Telegram to back up again, and I'll show you how to get to that link, how to find what you're looking for. So when you normally click on here, you will see a whole bunch of this thing. Okay, the one you're looking for is the Street Fighter lady. I forgot what's her name. You're gonna look for her, and when you click on that link, or you could click on any of the invite link, it will take you to right here, this lady right here. Click on it, and it will take you to her link. And this one have everything. This one have everything you're looking for. This is for Raspberry Pi. So you're gonna go scroll up, just keep on scroll up. This is Neo Geo CD. So this is all the Neo Geo CD you need. And it tell you this is a virtual. So this is a fully loaded 32X. This is a Neo Geo Pocket C fix. Set up the full loaded nice zip file. So I redid the nice. This is the fully loaded that include the CD. The one you have do not include the CD that is in Google Drives. Okay. This include the add-on is already there. You don't need to do the add-on like we just did. Okay. You just need to download the physical ROM. That's all. But that's what this version is. Everything is already set up for you. You just need to download just the ROM. And so let's skip that. That's the Raspberry Pi stuff. And this is the fully loaded. The link I want is this. Okay. The Neo Geo CD, Neo Geo 32X, Sega CD. This is all the link that you want if you want to download those. You just click on those and it will actually take you to. So if I click on that, that's going to take me to right here, Neo Geo CD. See that? It took me to the Neo Geo CD. And this is the first one. The rest of this I need to download. So Neo Geo number 3, Neo Geo CD is a full set. It could be used for, Neo Geo Arcade Stick and Neo Geo Mini, and this is why it's separated between the ROM and the setup. You could be also use it for Raspberry Pi as well. Totally is 23 zip file. Okay. I don't think that is true about Raspberry Pi because I just realized I renamed it, and in order to use it, you have to rename it back, and that will be hard to do for you guys. And then there's the add-on. So you need the Neo Geo CD add-on, and then you need the ROM. This is all the ROM, and the ROM is total. So this is step number 1, and then this is the retro. So you have to download 2 retro. This is the very top of this. You can't go any higher. This is the retro art that I wanted to replace. That's the one you need to download first. And then the first add-on that I created was a Neo Geo CD. Then if you go down the list, it tells you exactly how many Neo Geo CD you have to. It's total 23 zip files. So this is the first one. You download all this. They're not in order, but once you finish download it, you could check it to make sure you have 23 Neo Geos 100 game of Neo Geo CD. Okay, once that's done, then you have Turbo 16, and after Turbo 16, you have Sega CD, which is only, this is the add-on, and this is the total, which is, I think it's like, but in the beginning, before you click on it, it did tell you how many total. I don't know this one, why Sega CD did not tell you how many. I'm uploading the Sega CD now. This is one of the add-on. This is no ROM for this one. This is just all the setup. And then the ROM coming is in a few hours, it will be completed. So this is ROM set. So this is one, I think it's total 20, no, I think total of, there's 29. So let's see what's the next number. Yeah, there's total of 29, look like it. Because the highest number right now, this is 29, 28. So yeah, so total of 29 zip files that you need to download. I need to add that in here. I cannot edit. And then the next one will be Turbo 16, and this is the Turbo 16. And then this is the ROM. So this is the add-on, this is the ROM. The ROM is just a ROM folder. They use copy directly. The add-on is the step that I just walk you through. You know, first one, second one. The first one is game folder, you copy over. The second one is the hack folder, you have to modify the ROM info. And then the third one is the local, and then the fourth one would be the image. And that's what this have. And then the Neo Geo Pocket is right here. This is the one we were looking for, and I couldn't find. This is the ROM, and this is the add-on. So what you do is when you click on it, it's not going to ask you where you want it. It's finished. So the next question I have before, where to go? So you just right click it, and then you say show in folder. Where is it at? Where you put it at? Oh, right here, Neo Geo Pocket add-on. See that? You put it onto your local. Now I have mine set to F drive, local drive. So if not, if you didn't set it up like I did, it will be over here on desktop. So just let you know where yours will be on the user C drive. Mine's on C drive, Matt, download, Telegram, desktop. Okay, that's where your file is going to be when you click download. Mine is over here because I have 8 terabyte here. I rather put it on my 8 terabyte than on my local C drive. Okay, see, I put it on an 8 terabyte. I didn't want to put it on the C drive. So that's how you could find the things you download. So let's go back to here. So once you're in here with this account is this little icon you see right here, this picture. Okay, Street Fighter lady, forgot her name is. And you click on this. The little main icon is for people who have questions, want to post a video. You could attach a video, you could attach a funny symbol, sticker, emo, GIF, whatever you want to do, you could put it right here. And you could type it, you could record your voice, you could type, you could take a screenshot and put it here. Whatever how you want to do it, it works. So here, and this one is mainly just for download. So you don't see a lot of chatting, because if there's a lot of chat, it's real hard to find out, to scroll down and find out what is what. So this one do not have chat. All the chat is done on this side. Okay, see, I put a picture here, say all this file that you download, the total byte is going to be 25.7 gigabyte for the new one that I created, I believe. Yeah, so it's telling you what's the size. Okay, hopefully this will help, this video showing you how I fix it. So we're gonna go look at it and see how it look, and that's pretty much it on this video. Thank you for watching. If Neo Geo Pocket, we did the add-on also, and we just pass it. Here you go, Neo Geo Pocket. Select it, and we got all the box art back in. But see, you see that the main is not. I copy it into my download, but I didn't copy it into my USB. See how main is so high up? It's right in the middle, so it's not in the front. So I need to fix that, and then I'm gonna zip this back up and put it outside so you guys could download it, because I messed up with this. And so now so this one, that's why I say main is a smaller main. I want the main to be bigger and forward, standing on the right spot, not inside the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I forgot to copy it into my but let's go ahead and load one game up just to see if Pocket work. We don't want to assume that it's working. So we are testing the add-on, so the add-on is successful. So the step that I show you how to do add-on, that's pretty much it. That's what you need to do and follow the step. Alright, so I'm going to exit out here, and I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Okay, I just find out that my image that I put in there, I did update from my add-on, which is the ASP folder, the game box, not the game box, the image, the animation. I did update here. I created one big one once and then updated, but I forgot to come here and update this one. So my mind was in the middle of the box art, and that's what I was talking about. It was smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the image and go to folder called main. Main is where the animation is at. So we're gonna go to main, and we're gonna go to number 5. That's where we put the Neo Geo Pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the big one and the rest of the big one as well. So we have all the. Might as well just copy the whole thing and paste it. Replace it all. So now the main is bigger. It is not small. It's 274 by 318. So that's all I need to do. And then after that, I'm just going to zip this up and get it ready for you guys for this image. And whenever you do anything, it will keep the log of all the stuff you do, so you can look at the log. If there's an error, there's no error, it don't show nothing. So it create, here's some log, we found input drive, blah blah blah. I have no idea what all this. So if you want to read it, you can go ahead and read those. So I'm gonna delete those, and I'm gonna get this image ready for you guys, and then we are all set. But I do need to copy one more thing over to make this thing work, with the dip switch for Capcom. So every time when you open up the retro, your dip switch save information is gone. So every time when I do the burn, oh shoot, I forgot to park I have to park this image at Neo Geo main screen before I burn this, because if not, it might create some problem for you guys that will get a black screen. So I need to put this let's go ahead and put it in a PC and check it out what it looked like. And not PC, the Neo Geo arcade stick. And at the same time, we're going to park it in the right place before I burn this. Alright, so let's go ahead and reject it and let's check it out. Alright, let's check out the mine that I just fixed and see if the is it any bigger, and see it is bigger. But luckily I did not burn the image, leaving it at Neo Geo Pocket because it need to be in Neo Geo main game. So now main is forward, is on the white background instead of inside the box where it was smaller, it was inside the pocket. So I move it forward and now it's in the front. So before I could burn this image back for you guys, those people who request that they just want Neo Geo and Arcade and Capcom, that they don't want anything else. So this is the version for you. You have a full Neo Geo Fighting, Neo Geo. Now before I could burn this image, I need to go ahead and park it at the full screen, the main one, 0. This is the first one, is counted as 0 and 0 entry, and then 1, 2, 3 all the way down. So once we are here, I could turn it off, and now I could burn the image. And then if you're not sure if you did it correctly, like you are brand new on the Neo Geo arcade stick, you could do one more step to make sure that you put in the right spot. If you could go into the stock firmware without no issue, then you are good. If you cannot, then mean you did something wrong. Okay, so if you could come here at the main stock firmware with the 2040 game, mine is already updated with the CD key, so it's have 40 game. If you could come here, that means you're good, safe to turn off the image and then modify your USB. Make sure you back up your USB like I did. I back it up, or move it to, if you don't have enough space to back it up on the USB flash drive, move it to your computer so you have a safe copy in case something go wrong like I did. I could recover from my mistake. So you want to back it up. Once you back it up, then you can move all the new stuff into your USB and then you're good to go. And that's pretty much it for this training. Hopefully that this helped. I know people requested, if you already know how to do this, you don't need to watch all this video, but this is mainly for people that request the more details, basic step. Alright, thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye bye.